Here I've got Bocoin K800 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. At first you have to open the phone dialer. And then let me start with the first code, which is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And here we are in testing menu, so now you can check the phone information. So you can check the email number, you can run a ping test here, simply click over here and then you've got the solution. Also you can find out what is your network type, message waiting, roaming, GSM service, other services, also radio resets. You can turn off the radio and turn off the volt percentage, all the other very useful features. Then let me go back. You can also find out some info about your battery, so simply click on battery information and then check the battery status, power plug, battery level, scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. Let me go back. Then you can also go to usage statistics, simply open them, and you can find out the last time of your app's usage and also the period of time. So let me go back. And then we've got Wi-Fi information, so simply open it, and at first we've got Wi-Fi APA, where you can locate disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration you will be able to notice all configured networks. And finally in Wi-Fi status you will be able to refresh the status and then check it out. Also you can run a ping test here, simply click, and then as you can see you've got the solution. So let me go back, that was the first code. And then another one is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And now we are in calendar info. If you will have any calendars included in your device, then all events, all celebrations will be included here. So everything stored in one place. Now we will go to the Google Play services. So let me enter asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in Google Play services. You can check ping, connect, disconnect, events, and also the status. So that will be all for this one. And then we will open rules debug, which is asterisk pound 759 pound asterisk. And as you can see here, you've got search info as current black off, enable GS services, max ping table size, and all the other. You can check pings, events, and also client ID. And the last code, the shortest one, very useful one, is asterisk pound 06 pound, and this one will provide you with all email numbers for your device, for your phone, for both SIM cards. So that's it. Click on OK to go back. Now you came along with all the secret codes for your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.